Jain guys, today I am at Lucknow and this is Hazratganj and this is Lucknow's biggest food hub. This is called Royal Cafe and this is in Hazratganj area. I'm waiting for my cab, so we'll take you for a ride in Lucknow. So guys, we are on way to the Buddha Park from Hazratganj, the place where it is adjacent to KGMC hostels, where I had come in the year 1982. I'm not able to recognize the road. I don't know which way the driver is taking us. Nonetheless, let's wait and see how it goes on. This is Lucknow, my dear, for you. We park it. You can see some old buildings. I don't know, I'm not sure what are the buildings all about. ये बिल्डिंग किसकी है?
ये बिल्डिंग पुरानी थी और
हाँ।
इसमें ऑफिस बना दिया है।
अभी ये ऑफिस का काम करता है। ये पुरानी थी, ये हवेली टाइप। हाँ, ब्रिटिश का जमाना का टाइम का है। हाँ, राइट में भी है। ओके। हाँ जी, आपका नाम क्या है? शुभ नाम बताइए।
जी मेरा अमोद कुमार।
हाँ?
अमोद कुमार।
अमोद कुमार जी।
हाँ जी,
तो देखिए आपका ये गड्डी में घूम रहे हैं आज लखनऊ। हाँ, ये कमिश्नर लखनऊ डिवीजन। ये there is some important building out here. There's CSIR, I guess. So stands for Institute of Toxicology Research. State Road Transport Corporation का बिल्डिंग है ये यूपी का। यही है गमती पार्क।
ये सर यहाँ से पार्क बुद्धा पार्क चालू है, आगे मेन है।
हाँ,
चालू है।
लेकिन पार्क तो चालू है ना?
हाँ,
पार्क चालू है। हाँ?
हाँ यहाँ से चालू है, बहुत आगे तक
अच्छा,
है।
So here is the place called Residency. Ah, so you can see some, those are residency areas. I am at a loss to explain to you right now what does it mean. So this is the building of the medical college, which was called KGMC, I guess so. So if you see from here, you can see that medical college is on the left hand side. Imambara is on right on straight. So this is a new building. This is Atal Bihari Vajpayee Scientific Convention Center. This is a new building. Huh? ये बुद्धा पार्क है, बुद्धा पार्क हो गया। संजय गांधी किंग जॉर्ज मेडिकल कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी। ये तो यहीं पे समवेयर आई थिंक दिस वाज द हॉस्टल। ओके, दिस वाज द हॉस्टल इन विच माय ब्रदर यूज्ड टू स्टे। यस, दिस वाज द यही हॉस्टल है। लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज द बुलबुलैया और इमामबाड़ा कौन सा है? बड़ा इमामबाड़ा सामने। The front one is Imambara, Bada Imambara, and दाहिने उसी का हिस्सा है। ओके, यहाँ पे थोड़ा रुके है ना। So this is the Imambara place, and here on the left hand side is the entrance to the Bulbulaya. Right? So this is a very big entrance, and here is अंदर में Bulbulaya है। So Bulbulaya is a sort of building in which if you go inside, you'll be it will be very difficult for you to find out the way out. The things have been made in such a way. I am not going inside because I don't have so much of time, and look at the Imambara. So we have to come out of this now. Come out of this and slowly turn to this. So this is the, and here is one more darwaja. So I'm not very sure about this. I don't feel like asking anybody. The place is a little bit doesn't give me a very positive vibe. I don't know why. Okay, and need to be very careful with the parks and all. I was told by aware of the things that can happen here. Not anyway trying to do it, but my God, they keep on honking. I don't know why they honk so much. Why they honk? And this is so in front. There is a Imambara. So that is it, my dear. I'm not very interested in knowing about these things. Getting into this, and there is a camel out there. So there's some ponies and camels, and you can see a mix of modernity with the ancient in this particular place. Yeah, we see that bus. Oh, what a beautiful bus it is. Yeah, so you can see. Yeah. Thank you. I mean, here is a camel, and it's alive. It's live. And there is also a horse. You can take a horse ride also, but I'm not interested in that. Hello, baby. The camel must be, he's tied in the face, and he must be very much in pain. Oh, my dear. So there is something written out here in this wall. In 1840, Nawab Muhammad Ali Shah laid the foundation of Jama Masjid. Amongst his begums, Malika Fakh Sahiba and Malka Jahan Sahiba, the former was closer, I believe, or dearer to him. Though the latter was more beautiful. After the Nawab's demise, it was then Malka Jahan who completed her husband's dream, spending money bequeathed to her, and gave the people of Lucknow a grand mosque with the 3 immense stone-shaped domes. So these are the Jama Masjid they are talking about. Okay, this is Chota Imambara, known for its decoration, beauty, golden dome, canal gardens, museums, emulating the Taj, blah 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 blah. Glistening glass chandeliers were brought from Belgium and cost a fortune even in 1842. Okay. Satkhanda. Then this is Husainabad Bardari. Okay. Ghantaghar. So Gomti River is there nearby. Rumi Darwaza. Workmen from the poorer classes would build the structure in the daytime, but it would be demolished at night by equally needy men from the upper classes, so the relief work would last longer. It is a marvel that such a long structure has stood since 1784 without support from any wood, iron girder or a single pillar. Wow, great. Okay. Pakkapal. So what about this? So all these things here you can have some nice rides. You know, tuk-tuk. So some ponycars. Hello, baby. I guess we need to shut it down for the timing. One of the prominent structures of Lucknow. So it's crossing the road. You can see the road. Okay. This is laid with appears to be stone tiles. Must be very old as the structure system. So this is the metro on top. Of course, a recent addition to the city amenity. So this is the Hazratganj Chowk. So this is the assembly house where the UP government led by Yogi Adityanath, he is in charge of the entire state of UP. He is the chief minister, and here you can see the UP Vidhan Sabha building. Wow, beautiful. Awesome. यहाँ पे ना चलो कोई बात नहीं यही तो पुलिस रोकने नहीं देगी. It looks a beautiful building. Must be made during the British rule, it appears. ये है लखनऊ. So we are off to Gamti Nagar, and that is a recent, according to what the information I got, is Gamti Nagar is a much later addition of to the Lucknow city. The bordering. So from here, Ayodhya is 126 kilometers. This was the bridge over river Gamti, and we just cross over, and then we come to a place which has been developed by the then Chief Minister of UP, Ms. Mayawati, and this is called Samajik Parivartan Pratik Sthal. That means, symbol of social changes. The issue is there is a lot of casteism practiced by mostly North Indians, even in some other parts of the country, like in Rajasthan and blah blah blah. But in the place where we belong, we do not have any such issues. So these are the types of structures they have made. I don't understand what purpose it serves. Unless we change the mindset of people, nothing is going to change. So that is the place which is built by the then BSP government, Chief Ms. Mayawati. Tried to make a lot of put a signature of our party's influence, and as a permanent structure. There is a lot of it's huge, and lots of film shoots and everything goes on here. I'm not really keen on going on in Assam and Arunachal. We are from that part of the country, so don't want to see elephants in stone. Only thing is this, it has got some artistic art value, nothing else. So let me take you for a walk, and in the meantime look at the surroundings. Big wide road inside, but vehicles are not allowed. Only maybe the VIPs can enter with their vehicles. That is the structure we have shown you already. So let me go near and show you. So in the posture Gautam Buddha, where he is showering his blessings on mankind and all living things in the planet Earth. Very well made, very well made. Actually, if you notice at the face of the Buddha, so peaceful, so much, peaceful in a pure bliss. That's beautiful about it. And the surroundings are like this. It's beautifully well done. Spent some few thousand or few hundred crores, I don't remember. Nonetheless, something attractive and still well maintained. So